Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you enjoy crafting images using AI technology? Are you aware that Midjourney is not the sole platform for utilizing AI to convert text into images? Today, I will demonstrate how to achieve this without relying on Midjourney. The application we'll be using for text-to-image conversion is Nightcafe. So, what exactly is Nightcafe? Nightcafe Creator is an AI art generator application that employs various AI art generation techniques. With neural style transfer, you can transform your photos into masterpieces. By using text-to-image AI, you can craft artwork from nothing more than text on a page. Simply input a text prompt and the generator will craft remarkable images. To get started with Nightcafe, I recommend watching the video titled How to Use Nightcafe as an Alternative AI Art Generator for Midjourney. This video will guide you through the account creation process and how to utilize this platform effectively. To initiate the creative process, start by clicking on the Create button. Afterward, you will be presented with a selection of creation methods to choose from. These methods encompass a range of artistic approaches, including the widely favored Stable Diffusion, the imaginative Dull E2, the Coherence Focus Coherent, the Artistic Flair of Artistic, and the transformative abilities of Style Transfer. Your choice of method should harmonize with the artistic vision you have in mind. In my particular case, I'll opt for this one. As you embark on your creative journey, remember that the method you select will shape the direction of your artistry, unlocking a world of possibilities and allowing you to express your unique vision. Feel free to input your text prompt in the designated area provided above. If you are unsure about what to write, you can click on the random button to receive some prompt suggestions to ignite your creativity. Additionally, you have the option to scroll through and select a specific art style that resonates with you. Once you have decided on a style and are content with your prompt, proceed to the next section. Here, you can determine the number of images you'd like to generate. Opting for a single image won't consume any credits, but if you decide on generating 4 images, you will expand 1 credit. I'm choosing to generate 4 images as I possess sufficient credits, and I'm intrigued to witness the level of accuracy and creativity. Subsequently, press the Create button to initiate the generation process. Before we unveil our captivating final output, we kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel. Our channel focuses on making AI accessible through clear and informative step-by-step guides. Subscribing ensures you to stay updated with the latest developments in artificial intelligence, including the stunning AI-generated images and videos. Your support means a lot to us, and we'd be delighted to have you with us. And there you have it. We have successfully demonstrated the incredible capabilities of Nightcafe, showcasing the power to generate AI art effortlessly without relying on Midjourney. It is truly remarkable how this tool allows for artistic expression without any financial barriers. With Midjourney, one would typically need to invest money, but Nightcafe provides a cost-free avenue for artistic creation. If you are pleased with your creation and wish to preserve it, simply click the download button. Moreover, if you are seeking to enhance the resolution or size of your artwork, clicking Upscale is the way to go. However, bear in mind that upscaling an image will deduct credits, so it is wise to utilize them judiciously. To stay informed about your remaining credits, just click on your user ID, and you will be presented with your credit balance. This feature allows you to manage your usage and plan accordingly, ensuring you make the most of your AI art creation experience. Should you desire to craft more AI art images, it is a straightforward process of repeating the steps. Create a prompt, choose a style, and click Create. This user-friendly interface encourages creativity and experimentation, fostering a seamless artistic journey. I hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you for watching.